Welcome to the Dr. Arcraft Programming CSS Syntax tutorial. CSS rule sets consist of selectors and declaration blocks. Selectors point to HTML elements that you want to style, and the declaration block contains one or more declarations. See one declaration here and another right over here. Declarations are separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value. They're separated by colons. As mentioned earlier, multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons, and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. Here is a simple example of using CSS to style HTML elements. Let's see, a selector makes it select all P elements on the page, or paragraphs, which means all paragraphs on the page will be affected by this rule. Let's see, set the color to red and also the text alignment. Let's try and change the color so you can see it actually updates real time. Now you can see that the color is changed. It's also changed the other property. Now it has right alignment. The text is now going as far to the right as it can go. So for this example, we've put each declaration on one line to make it easier to read. However, you can put the entire declaration block on one line. This works just fine and is useful for minifying your code. It now produces the exact same result. Now this is a simple example of using comments in CSS. Comments can help when editing the source code at a later date. So some comments span one line, and since comments are not shown in the output, you can write whatever you want in them. It produces the exact same result. Some other comments actually span multiple lines, like this. See, it again does not show in the output. Comments are normally meant to describe code lines, like this. Now, it won't show in the output, but when you edit the source code, you can instantly see what this line of code does. This concludes a short introduction to CSS syntax. Thank you very much for watching.